graders, thank you for watching this video. Today is Thursday, October 8th, and in Math 8 we are doing the Module 1 assessment, or the Chapter 1 test. Remember, we are doing this on Kami, and you can go under Classwork in Google Classroom to find this assessment. It should also be posted in the feed if you click on that as well. Remember, you can click to open with Kami, or you can use the puzzle piece in the top right hand corner of your screen to find the Kami extension. Please remember, the school bought Kami for all of you to use. They bought you accounts, so everyone has Kami on their Chromebook. If you prefer, you can answer each question on a piece of paper and attach pictures of each question of your work. I'm also okay with that. But Kami does allow you to use your touchscreen Chromebook to write and show your work. I want to kind of go through this with you. This is a Module 1 assessment. Before beginning the test, you can read the directions below. Here it says no calculators may be used on this test. I'm just going to be transparent and tell you that it's very easy to tell when students use calculators because usually there is no work shown, and when asked, they don't know how they would find the answer without a calculator. But you can use scratch paper. I do want to note that Kami allows you to add a page, so you could add a page if you needed more space, and then you could just number your work to show which problem it went with. So it's still loading. So here is our new blank page that we added and that we could write on. We could label it 1 if you wanted to. And it might be helpful if you circled the number if you added another page with work. But it added another page, so you can show your work there if you are using Kami. Make sure your answers are complete and that you write in full sentences when asked to explain. Remember, you're demonstrating your understanding of the learning targets written below. In order to do that successfully, your answers must be complete, legible, and easy to follow. If you are unsure on any of the problems, do your best to answer the question so that I can still assess your understanding of the learning target. This is not a life or death situation. You will always have another opportunity to show your learning. Relax and do your best. So here you could write your name. You could use a text box to do that. I could put Miss Connolly here. And then you can put your signature. Again, you can type your name. Or if you have a signature, you could do that. Or you could draw as well. And you can date it. Remember, today is October 8th. This page is where we will put your scores, so you can look for your final score. Here are the learning targets that we expect you to know after learning from this unit, and your individual score for each question goes here. And then, like for learning target 2, we average these. So if you got a 2 and a 4, we would do 2 plus 4 divided by 2, and your final score would be a 3. Here, since there's only one question, if you got a 3, your final score would be a 3. Okay? I do want to remind you to show your work. If you don't know a problem, still at least try, because if you don't try, you'll get 0 points. If you try, you will get 1. I do want to know if you put IDK or I don't know, that still qualifies as 0 points because you didn't try it. Make sure you use full sentences and show as much work as possible. I know you all will do great. Try your best, and we will review it once everyone has it turned in. I do want to note that I expect students to turn this in by midnight on October 8th, on today, Thursday, October 8th. If you do not have it turned in, you are risking the chance of getting a 0 on all these learning targets. And your grade is only based on this test, because right now it's appearing as 0%. And once I enter this test, your grade percentage will appear. All right, good luck, and I will